Hey guys, Roger Wakefield here with Texas Green Plumbing, coming to you again with another episode. Today, what can I do to maintain my water heater? We get asked that question a lot. The truth is, other than draining it every now and then, and when I say draining it, I mean flushing it. You don't actually shut the water down and drain your water out. What you do is you hook up a drain hose down at the bottom, you run it into a 5-gallon bucket. If you do this every couple of months, from the time it's brand new, or even if it's in the first year or two old, you can keep the sediment out of the bottom of it, and what that'll do is it'll flush out the calcium and magnesium that build up in the bottom of your water heater that actually make your water heater less efficient and will make it not last near as long. So flushing it is the most important thing you can do to maintain it. If you've got a water heater that's not working, depending on if it's gas or electric, that's going to be up to you. Water heaters can be worked on by homeowners. It's not that hard. If it's electric, you want to shut your power off to your water heater. And first of all, check your power to it. See if your breaker has tripped by any chance. Check the power to it. You should have 240 volts for an electric water heater. Then what you want to do, if you do have power, shut that breaker off, disconnect the power. You don't have to, but I like to. Disconnect the power, check your elements, check your thermostats, and see if they're working. Now you can get online, you can find different videos to teach you how to test them, but what you're trying to check is the current on your elements, and then check your thermostat and make sure that it's working like it should. Any of those can be changed out. You can get online to the brand name of your water heater, go to specs, look at your part list, and you can actually order the correct parts to make these repairs yourself. Gas water heaters are a little bit different. Gas water heaters, your main parts, other than the air in and the air out, are your control valve, your burner assembly, and your thermocoupling. Maybe your igniter. So look in your pilot light hole on your water heater, or pull the cover off if you've got an older one. Look in there, see if your pilot's working. Turn your control valve up, see if you get that whoosh. Make sure you keep your face back, because I have seen water heaters where the fire actually came outside of the burn chamber. So any of these parts can be changed. You may have to drain down the water heater to change out your control valve if that's the issue, or you may just be able to disconnect your burner assembly from the control valve, disconnect it, take the 4 screws out to pull it out of the water heater, and you can change any parts on your water heater. There's also ways to test these parts to find out what they are. Your thermocoupling you can test with a voltmeter, and your control valve you can also test with a voltmeter. The burner assembly, pretty much it's a tube with a burner on the end. It's going to get gas through it. That's what heats up the water. So maintaining a water heater, keep your area clean. If you've got a gas water heater and it's giving you problems, check your fresh air in and check your exhaust. That could be a problem. If it's not getting enough oxygen down into that burn chamber, your water heater's not going to burn right, and it could have got clogged. Birds could have built a nest in there and slowly clogged it up, and now it's not getting enough air, and now it's burning improperly. So maintaining your water heater is something that you can do at home. Unless it's leaking, guys, you can repair a water heater. Now, don't get me wrong, if your water heater is over 6 years old, I normally don't recommend repairing it, because that money that you're investing in it, your water heater could start leaking anytime after 6 or 8 years. And if you've invested a lot of money in it, now that money's wasted. I would rather see you take that money and invest it in a new water heater, one that's higher efficient and is going to help save you money. So that's pretty much all I can tell you about how to maintain your water heater. If you don't want to flush your water heater every couple of months, at least hook a drain line up to that valve, turn it on once a year, let that valve run out into your driveway, to your street, your alley. You don't want to let it run into your yard because you will kill the grass, but turn it on, flush it. You'd be surprised at the stuff you'll see come out of there. So anyway, that's the information I have for you today. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel. Please tell your friends about it. We make different videos. We've got different information on our blog, and we've got different videos on this channel where we get more into detail about how to actually work on this stuff yourself. Also, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. You can go to our webpage or send me a message on Facebook. But guys, please like us, please follow us, please share our information. My name is Roger Wakefield. I'm with Texas Green Plumbing, and we're trying to save you money one drop at a time. Thank you and have a great day.